to do a 6-month extension for her initial treatment. She's had a couple of positives. I had a chat with her.
I'm not down with that. I'm not down with you just continue to drink. You're not supposed to. That's the first damn elementary thing of this program is you don't drink. And you're continuing to do it. It's not going to happen. You know, I mean...
Quick legal insight. A .153 BAC is nearly double the legal limit. That's not just celebratory sipping. That's DUI territory with a VIP badge to jail. Let that sink in.
Do we need to put her into an inpatient treatment program?
They're recommending IOP and SOP.
Inpatient, because we did a PTI.
Oh, I'll revoke her bond. It'll be free.
Hopefully we don't do that. Judge, can you give her a chance to do the IOP, SOP? I had a chat with her.
You want to keep in this thing? I'm going to put you in inpatient treatment. You're going to go right now. There goes your life. 6 months minimum. And if you're good, 6 months. Right, if you're good, I'm sorry, 6 months. Otherwise, it's a year and a half in custody. Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
So she completed the DWI education, effective decision-making, and victim impact. On March 12th, she admitted to consuming alcohol, and then on June 20th.
Judge gets called mean on YouTube. But ask yourself this, is tough love wrong when someone's freedom and life are at stake? Let me know your take in the comments.
She provided a flow of 1.53.
0.153? That's nearly double the legal limit. That's going to be, that's...
When the probation officer...
That's like 8 drinks.
She said she had 10 drinks and she was celebrating her sister's birthday.
No, there's got to be some kind of sanction. No.
What, Judge, can we do, instead of putting her in inpatient, can we maybe take her in for a weekend and then let her out and go with her?
Okay with that? Yeah. And then at that point, I'm going to put an ankle monitor on her.
Can you let her come in? Did you drive here?
Translation for non-lawyers. She's getting one last chance, but with handcuffs made of ankle monitors and court-mandated breath tests. It's less second chance and more survival mode.
Yes. Can we, if her car is going to get towed, getting her car out of impound.
Because...
So I know this is not go to impound. Her family can take it out because they need a power of attorney. She's going to come out with over $1,000 in fees only to get her car out. But she will come back.
We continue to cater to everybody. And, you know, I get killed all over YouTube because people say I'm so mean. I mean, are we supposed to coddle everybody? Are we supposed to coddle you for just 10 drinks when you know you're on a freaking probation? Shameful. You ought to be ashamed. That tells me that you either have a problem or you just don't give a shice about us. That's what that tells me, you know? And yet you still want a dismissal of this case. It doesn't work like that, you know?
I don't know if it makes a difference, but I've had her on bond for quite some time, and I won't even have anything to stand on or come before you to say anything, and I don't think she will either. And being before you, I think she understands, right, that if she does not take advantage of this opportunity, then that will be the end of
2 days as a condition, and she'll have to turn, do you have a license? Can you wear a license, please? She'll have to do the 3 days, and then as soon as she gets out, immediately she'll get a SCRAM.
Okay.
She'll have to pay for it, because I can't pay for it, you know?
Well, since it's a contract with the state, I guess you could drive with the SCRAM.
I want to make sure first she has a license. Okay, do you have insurance?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Hey, Pavel. Yes. I need you to please amend the contract, and I don't know how, but so this is Miss Ramirez. She's had quite a number of blows, positive. Okay. We're amending to do 3 days as a condition, and then she's got it on the PTM. Okay.
Well, and then the other issue is that if you want to put her on a SCRAM, then we need to amend the contract to reflect SCRAM, but allowing her to drive.
4 weeks to register for a court-ordered program after a warning from the judge. If procrastination were a sport, she'd be going pro right now.
Because normally the way that it works on your template contract is if she gets a SCRAM, then automatically there's a non-driving affidavit.
Right, no. We'll keep everything as is, but I want to make sure that she's not, at all times, she's not consuming. Whereas here, all she has to do is blow, right? So, we'll do the extension, but that's the conditions, right? So 3 days is a condition to begin, I guess, within the next couple days.
So how do you?
On release, she has to get the SCRAM, and then she has to do IOP and SOP.
We do that, the sheriff won't take her in. So if she shows up, if it's a civil contract, we can do in the contract 3 days as a condition, but if she shows at the jail and says, I've been, the sheriffs won't take her in because there's nothing in the. Melissa, can she do it, Judge, she's a full-time student, can she do it over the weekend, like go in next Friday and come out on Sunday so she doesn't miss school?
2 days of your school. See, we continue to cater to people. That's all we do here. We cater. It's like,
The only way she can do the 3 days is if you revoke. So whenever you want to go in, the sheriff come in, and then we have to revoke it, and then you have to bond reinstate it whenever you want her to get out.
I just want to make sure that from a practical perspective, we can get it done so she,
if you ever test positive again, you're going to lose 6 months to about 1.5 years of your life. Do you understand me? So it could be the best damn party, best damn beer, best damn drink, best damn smoke, whatever it is. You ever test positive again, I'm telling you, inpatient you go. Because it really tells me that you have a problem and you're incapable of stopping on your own, so we'll do it for you. That's it. Okay, so I guess let's reset the case between now. School schedule like?
I have class Mondays and Wednesdays, in the morning and the afternoon.
What about Thursdays?
Thursdays no class.
What about Fridays?
No class.
Okay, well, let's start on Thursday then. Okay, because that way she'll get a bed, otherwise she'll be sleeping on the floor. Too many people going in on Fridays. They sleep on the floor, as opposed to if you go in on a Tuesday through Thursday, you get a bed. So, we'll have you come back here on Thursday. Can you amend it between now and then?
I've never done that, I'll see if that's even possible.
I don't think,
Anything can happen.
well, Judge, if we, well, probably better Friday, so we can have her on the docket on Friday and Monday.
Okay.
And then we come back on Monday, you reinstate her, we don't have to amend anything.
All right.
Just so we can kind of.
I understand. Okay.
That's, okay.
Yep. Okay.
And then we'll just amend, if you want to do the SCRAM, then they'll just amend that.
I mean, if they tell me that they can't do that, then I'm not going forward. I'm not going to do it. Because it's not fair that she's out drinking 10 beers or whatever, 10 drinks in one night, and it's a slap to the face of everybody else that actually complies with this thing. No way. I'm not going to do it. So, okay, we'll see you on Friday. So, I don't understand why you are still pushing your register immediately upon doing the 3 days as a condition. When did she do the 3 days, please?
September 20th is when she went in, and that Monday, I think, to reinstate her, Judge.
Yes, Judge, it was September 20th.
She did it, she was released on when, the 21st?
The 23rd. 23rd is when she was released.
Released the 23rd.
Judge just dropped the final word. No more extensions. She either signs up or this turns into a full-blown criminal trial. And spoiler alert, that's the fast lane to a conviction.
She was supposed to register immediately, starting the IOP. And what day did she register?
Yesterday.
Okay, Andrea?
At least she's registered.
It's like, you know, this is what happens when you're too nice. It's over and over. People take advantage of you like crazy. It took 1, 2, 4 weeks for her to sign up for IOP, Andrea. 4 weeks.
Can you, since she's already registered,
No, I mean, I'm done with this. Just, what?
if she goes, if she attends? I don't have there's not much that I can say. I don't have much to stand on. But
Then take us seriously.
she's already registered, you'll allow
Let's
us,
do this. Let's do this.
so she has an ankle monitor on, that's on. It's
I'm
on.
gonna send her for a drug test right now. I want to see what if anything that she's going to test. We'll talk when she comes back. Because first things first, I want to know if she's clean. If she's not clean, it's over. That's it. But if she's clean, then we'll talk about how we go further.
Let's send her back here, how long, so I know how to manage everything else.
I have your cell phone, right?
Yes,
I don't know. Just take a seat for a minute.
thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Andrew.
From Ms. Ramirez.
Absolutely.
The state position is that we'll follow the recommendation of the probation department. Either feels A, she's reached a point where they can no longer help her and she needs a higher level of care than the probation department can give, or B, if the probation department feels that they can still treat her, we follow the recommendation of the probation department, leaving Texas.
And there was a 6-month extension, but her last been under 7 months.
But Judge, if she registered for the classes, there will be completed in 6 months.
I'm not doing a 6-month reset for her to do one class a
We
week.
can bring her to court. We can bring her to court for status updates. I'm 100% on board with that. I think that that's actually a very good idea. But what I'm saying is that the probation department feels that she could be helped with the IOP and SOP. That's my understanding. Please correct me if I'm saying something wrong. My understanding is that probation department feels that they could help her with the IOP SOP. I think that to her defense, nobody told her she needs to register, at least as far as I'm aware, 2 to 3 times a week. So
I told her last time we were here.
now when we approached, because I was with her, Judge. I was with her and I don't remember you saying that.
I told her, you need to have you register for, when you come back, this is what we're gonna end up doing. Regardless, look, regardless.
What I'm saying is, since the probation department feels that they can help her